Meaning of inculcation.
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 Inculcation. The term inculcation refers to the process of instilling or implanting an idea, belief, or value in someone's mind through persistent instruction and repetition. The ultimate goal of inculcation is to influence the person's behavior or decision-making in a certain way. This can be achieved through various methods such as lectures, discussions, demonstrations, and drills. The result of inculcation can be powerful and long-lasting, as it has the potential to shape an individual's worldview and attitudes. However, it can also be controversial as it may limit critical thinking and independent thought.